that is those two toggles, and then I guess I can show you the outfit toggles as well. I gotta be careful here. Basically, oh my god, I gotta be so careful. Well, I can take the sleeves off, which is kind of sick, and I can hold the droid actually with the sleeves off as well. And then let's see. I can take that off. I can take the shirt off. I don't think it's that bad. I'll just cover up as much as I can. But that's a toggle. Anyway, and then I can take the things off. So I can take my socks off, and then that means we can go barefooted. Stop being weird, man. Yeah, that's what this model got for toggles. Oh god. You wanna see the full thing? Of course. The full thing. And I can toggle stuff for you too. I can toggle the sleeves and the bandages. Ba-da-ba-da-bum. Wrong one. Just click. Guys. Mods, delete it. Okay. Delete the clip.
Can you show us the backside of that neck?
I don't think I'm getting front page again, guys. It was a misclick, I swear! It was a misinput! This is the last time I'm gonna show you my toggles. I'm done.